Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making pierogis with air fried bratwurst and beer poached onions. I know, I'm psyched too. So I do pierogis quite a bit because it's super easy to have them frozen, throw them on the stove, and then throw some bratwurst in the air fryer, especially if you have like pre-cooked bratwurst like Cheddar Brats, which is what I usually have in my freezer because they're delicious, and the air fryer makes them super crispy on the outside and super moist on the inside. So this is a really easy recipe and it comes together super fast. You want to throw those Cheddar Brats in the air fryer for 390 for 12 minutes. Boil the water for your pierogis. Add a little salt and oil to that water as well so they don't stick. Drop in your pierogis and bring that up to a boil. And then you just want to cook those according to your package directions. Pull those brats out to rest and slice later. When the pierogis are done, throw them in a skillet with some melted butter to fry them up. Make sure they're brown on both sides. While those are frying, you want to mix up some sour cream and some unsweetened applesauce. It looks weird and bland, but trust me, it is delicious. Give those pierogis a flip once those are fried, looking nice and brown on the other side. Look at that. All right. Also, I'm not showing you how to make those beer poached onions. The recipe is below in the comments or the summary section, so check that out. I always have a container in my fridge. So you want to kind of fry up those beer poached onions in the skillet with the residual butter. Add those slices of the bratwurst to the pierogis. And just, yeah, really, like I said, it comes together. It's extremely fast, so it's really great for a delicious lunch. And then once you plate that up, you can garnish it with some green onions and then obviously salt and pepper. But I mean, if you don't want that extra onion taste, you can also add some dill or maybe even parsley or some garlic kale, really up to you. But yeah, this is a super quick one. I hope you enjoy. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Say hi to me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.